Hello everybody, it's Montgomery, and we're going to get you a quick update on the Eclipse. I took a little bit off the preload, so it'll latch better, so it'll close better, and I've adjusted it so it's at smooth speed right now. So, and it opens more than 90 degrees now. Or it opened a little bit after 90, but there's the sweep, and there it goes. The wind catches it and blows it open. And a lot of times the door hits something on the floor, but on the ground, but it's not doing that right now. Yeah, so the wind's catching it, blowing it open. Now we'll go inside, get you one last view, and that will be it. You know what? I'll be nice, get you one final view. See, it's nice. Now watch. We'll close it up. And we'll lock the door. And yes, there is a gap. There is a gap.